As of December 8th, 2025, mirroring your Android phone screen to your Tesla's infotainment system is primarily done wirelessly through Android Auto. This allows you to access navigation, media, and apps from your phone directly on the Tesla screen without needing any cables. This video will guide you through the process, focusing on models manufactured after 2022: Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X. Running software version 2024.44 or later. Android Auto acts as a bridge between your phone and Tesla's system using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It's a Google-developed platform designed for smartphone car integration. Tesla's infotainment system pairs with Android Auto via Wi-Fi Direct, creating a secure local network for low-latency casting. No sensitive data, like passwords, is transmitted during this process. To set up wireless mirroring from your Android phone to your Tesla, you'll need a few basic requirements. First, ensure you have an Android phone running version 8.0 or higher. Your Tesla vehicle must have software version 2024.44 or later installed. Check for updates in the Tesla settings to ensure compatibility. Both your Android phone and Tesla need Bluetooth 4.0 or newer capabilities for the wireless connection. Wi-Fi must be enabled on both devices to establish the secure wireless link between them. You generally don't need to install any additional apps, as Android Auto comes pre-installed on most modern Android phones and works seamlessly with Tesla's system. First, ensure your Android phone is updated to the latest operating system version. On your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Software, and tap Update to confirm you have version 2024.44 or later installed. This update ensures compatibility and proper functionality with wireless Android Auto. In your Tesla, activate Bluetooth via the touchscreen. On your Android phone, enable both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Next, connect your phone to the Tesla's Wi-Fi hotspot, which should appear as Tesla Wi-Fi during the pairing process. Your Tesla creates its own Wi-Fi network for this connection. Open the Android Auto app on your phone. Select the Set Up Wireless Connection option and choose your Tesla from the list of available devices. Confirm the pairing request on both your phone and the Tesla screen. The Tesla will then prompt you to enable wireless Android Auto. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once connected, your Android phone's home screen, apps, and notifications will be mirrored wirelessly onto your Tesla's infotainment screen. You can then use voice commands via Google Assistant for hands-free control of apps like Google Maps, Spotify, and more. Ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection for the best experience. If you encounter issues like no audio or a dropped connection, try restarting both your phone and the Tesla. Check that the Tesla's Wi-Fi connection is stable. Older Android versions or Tesla models might require a wired USB connection. Android Auto encrypts your data, and Tesla doesn't store any mirrored content. But be mindful of privacy settings within Android Auto to control app permissions. Remember, always prioritize safe driving practices and avoid interacting with the screen while driving.